another video. It's going to be a short one, and it's MOT day. So will the car pass an MOT with a sports cat and now the RT330 turbo? I'm on edge. I've got this horrible gut feeling it's not going to pass, and that's only because every time I start it up the smell of fuel is just horrid. But I'm hoping that with the drive that I've got to do to get there, I haven't gone for a local one. I've gone for my normal garage, which is about 20 to 30 minutes away. However, there's also a road closure, which means it's now going up to 40 minutes. I'm actually driving 40 minutes to get an MOT done. However, that does allow me to get the sports cat very, very hot, hopefully making it better emissions. But we will see. So yeah, I'm nervous. We'll see if it passes, and obviously you guys know what kind of lights and stuff I've got on this car, so we'll see if those pass as well. In the description there is new merch. So there is a new t-shirt available. A little picture will appear up on the screen now. If you guys want it, I think it's personally the cleanest one so far. The logo is amazing, so thank you to Dave for designing that logo. It looks awesome. It looks very, very clean. So if you guys want it, it's in the description. It's now linked onto teespring.com. So I'm just trying a different supplier at the minute while Callum's very, very busy with what he's doing. But the moment Callum gets back to me, I'll go back to Callum. Well, I should say the moment that Callum is free, I'll go back to him. So anyway, let's head there now. We're heading to a place called Longfield, and we will see. And we will see if it passes. Fingers crossed. I never knew roads like this even existed where I was from. Look at that opening up in front.
I've been feeling too small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.
So just came out the MOT place. This is with Longfield Hill Garage, I think it's called. So if you guys are based in Kent, really nice guy, looks after your car while he's there, which is cool. Yeah, so I've just come out, passed 100%. Even better emissions than when I was with Perron Stage 2 Pro. So the last MOT I had, I was Perron Stage 2 Pro, and the emissions through the Miltech Sports Cat, he said, were very close to borderline. And he basically had to get it like red hot to get it to like pass. But with the Revo, Matt, and the bigger turbo, she's flown through. She's like super efficient. So I'm happy. I seriously did not think I was going to pass. I don't know anything about emissions, and I don't know how it works. All I know is like the cat kind of removes the bad emissions. So yeah, that's all I really know. I don't know what even the emissions like pass mark is. However, it's passed. It's more cleaner for the environment, and I've got a bigger turbo. What more could you ask? So anyway, that's that. Quick update on kind of what's happening in the future, on what's happening with me. I start my work now on February the 9th. So my new job, I've left my old job, so currently I'm in between jobs, which is quite freeing. Quite interesting, because I've obviously had this whole week to film for you guys. Basically I'm going to stagger these videos throughout the next few weeks to kind of give me a little bit of headspace to kind of learn my new job. So my new job is with OpenReach. So I'm going to be installing fibre and stuff for businesses and customers and stuff like that. So that's my new job. Hopefully I pass all the training and stuff. I have a feeling I will, but obviously it's still, you've got to go through their training program and stuff, which is obviously quite intense. So the first week I'm up in Stoke, and I'm there for a week, and then for the next 12 weeks after that I'm working in Croydon. So that'll be interesting. And then I'm based in Maidstone. So if anyone's around Maidstone area and you see an open reach van, there may be me sitting inside it, you never know. So yeah, that's my training schedule. 13 weeks of training. All I've really got is weekends. There's a few days where I might be shadowing in Maidstone, so I'll be coming home in those evenings. But obviously it's going to be very hard for me to make content for you guys. So bear that in mind. That's kind of why I've tried to stagger a few videos up. Obviously if there's no content out that week, I do apologise. But there's nothing really I can do about that. I'm trying to get my life in gear, shall we say. So yeah, that's that. So hopefully that explains what's been happening with me, or what's going to be happening with me. By the time this video is released, I may already be into my training. So the date of recording this, I think, is the 7th, maybe the 6th. I don't have a clue. It's sometime early in February, and I start my training on the 9th of February. So it gives you an idea where I am, where I'm about. I just want to say a massive thank you to all of the people that came to the first Car Rambles Dyno Day, even the people that just came to watch. Many of you knew me, which is awesome. There's a few obviously that didn't know me, but I just want to say thank you to everyone that kind of turned up and showed support for my channel and for myself, which is really, really nice. So thank you guys for coming. So remember to subscribe down below. Every comment that you guys leave down below really, really helps my channel. Every like you give me helps my channel. So the more you guys can help me, the better. Because then it kind of promotes me, which gets my videos out more, which then helps you guys, because hopefully this helps some people understand that you can pass an MOT with HIDs with a sports cat. It's possible. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
My troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette.